Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a unit from Luvme Hair. Y'all already know about Luvme Hair if you're not new to my channel, and if you are, just stay tuned. You'll know why I'm always showing you units from Luvme Hair. This one is going to be their 5x5 Closure HD Lace Wig. This wig is in the kinky straight texture, and it does have a middle part. This one is a little different from their regular kinky straight wigs because this one has the 4C edges attached, and by 4C edges, pretty much the 4C edges of baby hairs on the unit is going to look and mimic your natural hair, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about in a second. So this unit can be styled and worn so many different ways, so much versatility to it. It comes with the elastic bands and the comb, so you can wear it completely glueless if you would like. It has the undetectable lace, and it provides you with a flawless melt for you to throw it on and go, no work needed. And that's what we are looking for, the low maintenance wigs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how I style this unit, how I get the hair in formation, and then I'm gonna come towards the end and give you a full review of this unit. So definitely make sure you stay tuned.
So
as you can see, this is going to be the finished look. This is definitely serving natural hair goals, okay? This kinky straight is always going to be a favorite for me, and Luvme Hair did not disappoint at all when it comes to the HD lace closure that they put on this wig. I did go ahead and try to get the hair out of that natural state by using my flat iron, and as you can see, it definitely straightened well. I love the texture of this hair. It has a lot of body to it. I don't have a lot of shedding, which I'm really happy about. Sometimes with my kinky straight wigs, I typically have like a lot of shedding for whatever reason, but I don't have any shedding with this hair at all. I was easily able to install this unit. It didn't take no time. I love the fact that this is a closure wig. Easy throw it on and go unit. Like, this is one of those units to where if I wanted to take this off, I could. If I wanted to glue it down, I could. I mean, it's secure just wearing it glueless like this. So it's really just up to you and what you would like to do. Didn't have to pluck. All of that stuff was already done. As you saw, it does come with the natural baby hairs. Now, I did want to just get up close and personal just so you can see them. I did put a little bit of mousse on them, but I wanted to keep them like as natural as possible just so I can show you, you know, exactly what it looks like. I probably will go in and add some gel and kind of like spruce them up just a little bit once I do wear this wig out. But that's what I love so much about units like this. It gives you the versatility to do what you want to do, okay, and still look good while doing it. And that's what we like. So yeah, y'all already know how I do. I'm gonna leave all of the information down in the description box for you. You'll see that I've been rocking with Luvme Hair for a very long time. So if you don't want to get your hands on this one, I got some more that you might like. Yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.